Hello students, good morning. As we have already discussed profit and loss appropriation account, we will solve one problem of final account with profit and loss appropriation account because this final account is of a partnership firm. We all know that profit and loss appropriation account is prepared just after profit and loss account. So it is just like extension of profit and loss account. So let's prepare trading and profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account and balance sheet in this problem. See the problem. Aarti and Bharti are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. The following trial balance was extracted from their books as at 31st March 2020. Trial balance is given. Debit balances, credit balances. Debit balances. Opening stock 36,000. Purchases 6,20,000. Return inward 12,000. Sundry debtors 1,25,000. Computer 50,000. Rent for 11 months 22,000. Salary to staff 1,20,000. Land and building 3,52,000. Wages 16,000. Continuation here. General charges rupees 30,000. Cash at bank rupees 25,000. Aarti's drawings 20,000 and Bharti's drawings 10,000. Now credit balances. Sales 9,40,000. Return outward 4,000. Sundry creditors 43,000. Interest 1,000. Aarti's capital 3 lakhs and Bharti's capital 1,50,000. You are required to prepare trading and profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2020 and a balance sheet as on that date, taking into consideration following adjustments. First, stock on 31st March 2020 was valued at rupees 60,000. This is closing stock. Rent for the month of March has not been paid, means it is rent outstanding for 1 month. Depreciate computer by 20%. Bharti is to be allowed salary of rupees 5,000 per month, means for 12 months it will be 60,000 for per year per annum, per month 5,000 into 12 months, and partners are entitled to interest on capital at 6% per annum. So now we have to prepare the accounts. Let's see the posting. Opening stock will be debit side of trading account. Purchases trading account debit side. Return inward, it will be deducted from sales on trading account credit side. Sundry debtors asset, computer asset, rent profit and loss account debit side. Salary to staff profit and loss account debit side. Land and building asset, wages trading account debit side. Sales trading account credit side. Return outward, it will be deducted from purchases on debit side of trading account. Sundry creditors liability. Interest, it is income, so profit and loss account credit side. Aarti and Bharti's capital, balance sheet liability side. General charges, profit and loss account debit side. Cash at bank asset. Aarti's drawings and Bharti's drawing will be deducted from their respective capitals. Okay, so now we will prepare final accounts of this partnership firm. This is trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2020, and this is profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2020, and here is the balance sheet. Okay, let's start. First we will do the posting of all trial balance items. So to opening stock, amount is 36,000. Then to purchases less return outward, it is 4,000. Purchases amount 6,20,000 in inner column. From that we have to deduct 4,000, so it is 6,16,000. Now next trading account debit item is wages. I am completing trading account debit side first. Wages 16,000, no other item. Then buy sales and less return inward, 9,40,000 amount of sales less 12,000, so it is 9,28,000. Okay, now I will start posting items of profit and loss account debit side. So from here to salary to staff, the amount is 1,20,000, no adjustment. Then rent, in inner column as there is an adjustment. Then general charges, I have to keep some space. 2 general charges, this space is for adjustment. Amount is 30,000 in outer column. Then there is no other expense. Now profit and loss account credit side, by interest, in outer column rupees 1,000. Okay, then I will post balance sheet items from trial balance. So liability side first, there is capital given, Aarti's capital and Bharti's capital. So capitals, Aarti, two lines I will keep, and then here we will add net profit less. Then we have to add interest on capital. Here the adjustment of interest on capital is also given, so more 2 lines, and then no other adjustment, so less drawings. Okay, Aarti's capital is 3 lakhs, and Aarti's drawings is 20,000. Then Bharti's capital, you can write Bharti's capital, it is 1,50,000, and drawings 10,000. ओके, आपण सोल प्रोप्रायटरशिपच्या फायनल अकाउंटला सुद्धा हे सगळं लिहितच होतो, त्याप्रमाणे आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे. फक्त इथे 2 कॅपिटल किंवा 3 कॅपिटल्स असतात पार्टनरशिप फॉर्ममध्ये. जेवढे नंबर ऑफ पार्टनर्स तेवढे कॅपिटल्स. यानंतर इतर काही लायबिलिटीज असतील तर लिहूया. सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स, $43,000, सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स. No other liabilities given, so that's all. Now assets, sundry debtors, no adjustment on debtor, so outer column 1,25,000. Then computer 50,000, there is adjustment on computer, so in inner column 50,000. Then land and building, $3,52,000, no adjustment, so in outer column. then cash at bank, amount is 25,000. Okay, that's all. No other asset is given here. So now we will solve the adjustments. Okay. First adjustment. Stock on 31st March 2020 was valued at rupees 60,000. So this is closing stock. Credit side of trading account, buy closing stock 60,000, and asset side closing stock 60,000. Then rent for month of March has not been paid. असं सांगितलेलं नसतं तरी आपल्याला रेंटची ॲडजस्टमेंट करावी लागली असती. याचं कारण ट्रायल बॅलन्समध्ये दे टोल्ड अस दॅट रेंट इज फॉर 11 months, दॅट इज 22,000. फॉर 11 months 22,000 means 22,000 divided by 11. 1 month's rent is rupees 2,000 and 12th month is there, so 1 month's rent is outstanding. Okay, so here first I have to add outstanding rent 2,000, 24,000. Outstanding rent, it is outstanding expense, so it is our liability, so outstanding rent 2,000. Now next adjustment, depreciate computer by 20%. So here less depreciation, 20% of 50,000, that is 10,000. So we have to deduct 10,000 from here. Outer column 40,000, and here second posting on debit side of profit and loss account, to depreciation on computer 10,000. Okay, now next adjustments are related to partners. So these adjustment we will solve in profit and loss appropriation account as we have discussed earlier. Bharti is to be allowed a salary of rupees 5,000 per month. So भारतीला 5,000 रुपये सॅलरी द्यायचे. First posting will be debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. So to Bharati's salary or salary to Bharati, you can write anything. 5,000 into 12 months, so that is 60,000. Second posting, just like interest on capital, आपण इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल हे कॅपिटलमध्ये ॲड करतो त्याचप्रमाणे पार्टनरला दिलेलं सॅलरी कमिशन हे त्याच्या कॅपिटलमध्ये ॲड करायचं आहे. सो भारतीच्या कॅपिटलमध्ये ॲड सॅलरी टू भारती 60,000. ओके, नाव नेक्स्ट ॲडजस्टमेंट, partners are entitled to interest on capital at 6% per annum. So partners capitals are 3 lakhs and 1,50,000. 6% of that will be 18,000 and 9,000. So to interest on capital, Arati and Bharati 18,000, 9,000. So it is total 27,000. Okay. Second posting, interest will be added in the respective capitals. So add interest on capital. It is 18,000. Here add interest on capital, it is 9,000. आपण आत्ताही ॲड करू शकतो किंवा नेट प्रॉफिट आल्यानंतर सगळ्यांची एकदम टोटल करू शकतो. आय विल प्रिफर दॅट. Now we have solved all the adjustments. सगळे adjustments सोडून झालेले आहेत. Let us tally now. First we will tally trading account. It is 9,38,000 and it is 9,88,000. So 9,88,000, 9,88,000. After deducting 9 lakhs, sorry, 6 lakhs, 67,000 from 9 lakhs 80,000. Difference is 3 lakhs 20,000, which is gross profit. Okay, so it is correct. 6 lakhs 68,000 and 9 lakh 88,000. It is correct. 3 lakh 20,000. Here now by gross profit brought down 3 lakhs 20,000. Now we will tally profit and loss account. 3 lakhs 21,000 and debit side to total 1,84,000. So 3 lakhs 21,000, 3 lakhs 21,000, and net profit is, after deducting, net profit is 1,37,000. Okay, this is net profit to be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, net profit is 1,37,000. Now we will transfer this net profit here, credit side of appropriation account. जर net loss आला तो debit side ला transfer करायचा आहे. So by net profit transferred from profit and loss account. Okay, you can say by profit and loss account net profit transferred from किंवा net profit transfer असंही तुम्ही म्हणू शकता. तिथे काही हार्ड अँड फास्ट टूल नाही आहे. नाव वी विल टॅली ॲप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. क्रेडिट साइड टोटल इज 1,37,000. डेबिट साइड टोटल इज 87,000. So 1,37,000. So the difference is 50,000 here. I will write it here. 50,000. Okay. Now I have to distribute this difference between Aarti and Bharati in their profit sharing ratio, and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. So two capital accounts, means partners capital accounts, Aarti and Bharati, we distribute 50,000 in the ratio of 3:2. It is 30,000 and 20,000. Okay, now in balance sheet, here add net profit. It is Aarti's net profit is 30,000. So total is 3,48,000. From that we will deduct drawings. So it is 3,28,000. Now here add net profit 20,000. So 2,39,000 minus 10,000. So it is 2,29,000. And now we will tally the balance sheet. it is 6,02,000. Okay, in this way we have to prepare final accounts of partnership firm, where we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account also for appropriation of profit between the partners. We have discussed the profit and loss appropriation account. त्याप्रमाणे आपल्याला इंटरेस्ट ऑन कॅपिटल, सॅलरी टू पार्टनर किंवा कमिशन टू पार्टनर अशा गोष्टी ज्या आहेत त्या डेबिट साईडला घ्यायच्या आहेत. ओके, रिझर्वला ट्रान्सफर केले असतील तर ते डेबिट साईडला घ्यायचे आहेत. आपण प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस ॲप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट डिस्कस केलेलं आहे. सॅलरी commission to partner, interest on partner's capital, transfer to reserve will be on debit side of appropriation account, and interest on drawings will be on credit side of appropriation account. And then after tallying the appropriation account, net profit or net loss will be distributed between the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Okay, solve this problem in your notebook and let me know if there is any doubt. That's all.